Mills, where my home is yours. The Cheers of Abington. I love having everybody in. It's a fun, positive environment. I went the cozy, comfy food route. Everything's homemade, everything's fresh. It's when everybody comes here, they feel comfortable. I have a lot of regulars that come in, and everybody just knows each other. A lot of laughs, a lot of fun.
It's a good time. Good time and good food. You can't beat it.
Very comfortable atmosphere. People are incredible here, and no place I'd rather be.
The community has been absolutely amazing. The support system is incredible.
Mel's is a great place. The food, the people, the atmosphere, don't miss it. Don't miss it.
I got the burrito to go, and I had to try it before I left, and it's just so good. I'm gonna polish it off. It is so good. You really have to try it.
So today we're going to be making a combo burrito, which is pretty popular here at Mal's Kitchen. We're going to put in all of our meats. We have sausage, ham, and bacon. We do our veggies, peppers, onions, some mushroom. Okay, we're going to saute that up.
So we do have, other than just the breakfast menu itself, we do have acai bowls, we have fruit parfaits, different types of oatmeal, just things if you want to be a little bit more healthier instead of coming in, or you could go for our crunchy French toast, which isn't so healthy, but it's delicious.
Okay, now we're going to make our crunchy French toast.
The fried peanut butter and fluff is one of our most popular ones that we've done so far as a special. It's with fried peanut butter and fluff with a raspberry sauce and some raspberries on top, and it seems to be a pretty big hit with us on that. The California Benedict, which is the tomato, avocado, and bacon Benedict. We've also had a sloppy Joe omelet, the Hawaiian omelet, which is pineapple and ham omelet, which has been very popular also.
I got the special, the California Benny, the best ever I've ever had. Yep. It's great.
Oh, the special chicken salad. So Hala makes her signature chicken salad with the walnuts and craisins and a couple of other little special ingredients in there that it seems to be a very big hit with our customers.
So we're going to be making our chicken salad. I'm going to prepare my croissant. I like to warm up the croissants on the grill, get a little crispy on there.
We love the place. We love the place. It's beautifully decorated. It's got some wonderful messages and decor.
I have all positive sayings on the walls. I have great inspirational quotes. The reason why I went that route with the restaurant was because it's such a negative world we live in today. And I just like for people to be able to come in, have a nice breakfast or lunch, chit-chat with their family and friends and the servers and I, and just leave here in a little bit of a positive note to start their day. And we just end up being more than, customers and servers. You end up becoming friends, and it just makes things a little bit more personal with our community.